Hey, restoration companies, it's Rob from R&D/EHS. We're a waterproofing company here in Stratford, Ontario. I believe when you guys are in doing a flood remediation, there are chances that the sump pump has failed. And at that point, that customer's at a pain point where they're looking for a solution. I understand that you might not want to install the sump pump system, but I think you need to know about it, not just your high water alarm. It will tell you if your primary pump is drawing too much power, then it's potential to fail. It will also tell you how many times a day that pump is pumped and how much water it's moving. It'll test your battery backup pump 3 times a week. It's not just a high water alarm. It's a free app with that you can monitor it yourself whenever you want, all the time. We're just looking to get this system out there because I know your customers that you currently are dealing with, they want something different than just a high water alarm.